Good morning everyone. How are you all doing? I've got something here for you. Can you see these pictures here? What's this? Tray. And this? Train. And this? Tape. Now can you tell me what sound is coming in all of them? A sound. You're right. Let's see how do we spell them. Now this is train. See how it is spelled? Train. Train. Okay? Now this is a tape. Now here it is T-A-P with a magic E. So this is tape. You're right. And this is tray. And see how A is spelled here. Tra-A. Tray. So, now we have three kinds of A sound, which is long A sounds. A-I is also A. A-Y is also A. And A-E is also A sound. Now this dash can have any consonant. Alright, let's see with some examples. Now A-I words. Now br-a-n, brain. P-a-d, paid. D-a, day. P-a, pay. So can you see when A sound is coming in the middle of words, usually we write with AI. And when A sound comes in the end of the word, we write it with AY. Like day, pay, say, may. And here A-E, this we all know is magic E. K-A-N, cane. This is magic E, giving this its name sound. N-A-M, name. Alright? So, we have three A sounds. Let's see if you can think more. Bye for now. Happy learning.